Do you often find yourself running out of money before the end of the month? Or do you have trouble saving for big expenses like a new car or a dream vacation? Well, you're not alone. Many people struggle with managing their finances, but it doesn't have to be that way. The key to financial success is having a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money. It allows you to track your income and expenses and make sure that you're not overspending. To create a budget, step 1 is to list all your sources of income. This includes your salary, any side jobs, and any other sources of money you may have. Then, make a list of all your expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Once you have your list of expenses, categorize them into fixed expenses and variable expenses. Fixed expenses are things that stay the same each month, such as rent or car payments. Variable expenses are things that can change from month to month, such as entertainment or dining out. With your income and expenses laid out, you can now create a plan for how you will spend your money. Make sure to allocate some money to savings each month, even if it's just a small amount. This will help you build up a cushion for emergencies or big expenses. Step 2. Prioritize your expenses. Make a list of all your expenses in order of importance. Your fixed expenses should come first, followed by your variable expenses. If you find that you're spending too much on one category, such as dining out, consider cutting back and reallocating that money to a more important category, such as rent or utilities. Step 3. Review your budget regularly. Your income and expenses may change from month to month, so it's important to review your budget regularly to make sure it's still working for you. Make adjustments as needed and be flexible. Remember, a budget is a tool to help you reach your financial goals, not a strict set of rules that you must follow. By following these steps, you can take control of your finances and start working towards your financial goals. Follow for more.